Hi, I'm Michelle Smith, Field Sales Executive here at Truckman. We have our range of racking solutions for both vans and pickups. We understand at Truckman the importance of turning your vehicles into mobile workshops, improving downtime, efficiency, fuel efficiency and the usability for your drivers. As you can see, our racking systems are made from aluminium, so they're ultra lightweight, increasing payload and fuel efficiency for your drivers. It's approximately 20% lighter than the alternative products that are on the market at the moment, and it's fully customisable, so it can be either modular or bespoke and tailored specifically to your driver requirements. The racking comes in a range of racks, drawers. The drawers are completely bespoke, so the extension that you have in the van is the extension that you have outside of the van. Inside the drawers there's a range of customisable inserts, and you have up to an 80 kilo carrying capacity on each drawer. The racking comes with an 8-year warranty, which can be transferred over into a second life vehicle, so you're really giving yourself peace of mind that your drivers are in a safe working environment. As I mentioned before, the racking's made out of aluminium and there's absolutely no painted parts, which means it is 100% recyclable, which is great for the environment.